Welcome to our detailed comparison review of TP-Link's Archer A7 and TL WR94141 routers. Let's delve into their key specifications. 1. Wireless. The Archer A7 operates on Wi-Fi standards with X1750 speeds, featuring dual-band capability suitable for medium-sized homes with its 3 fixed high-performance antennas. Conversely, the TL WR941 utilizes Wi-Fi 4 with N450 speeds, offering coverage for larger areas with 3 detachable 9 dB high-gain antennas and high-power FEM for improved signal strength. 2. Security. Both routers provide essential security features such as spy firewall, access control, and IP binding. They also offer guest networks and VPN server support. While the Archer A7 supports advanced encryption standards like BUPAL-PAL-PAT-WO, Enterprise 802.1x, the TL WR941 through V1P provides standard encryption protocols of WEP, YA, and WPAT-WO. 3. Hardware. The Archer A7 features a Qualcomm Q2 Gigabit WAN ports and USB 2.0 support, offering versatile connectivity options. On the other hand, the TL WR941 comes with a single core QPU, a 10100 MPs WAN port, and 10100 MPs LAN ports, prioritizing signal strength with its high-gain antennas. 4. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like E4 and IPv6 and offer management features through the Tether app and web interface. While the Archer A7 includes on-mesh support for network expansion and comprehensive parental controls, the TL WR941 focuses on essential networking features without additional mesh capabilities. In conclusion, the Archer A7 delivers superior wireless performance, advanced security features, versatile hardware capabilities, and comprehensive software functionalities, making it ideal for medium-sized homes and users seeking advanced networking features. Meanwhile, the TL WR941 prioritizes signal strength and coverage for larger areas, catering to users with expansive network needs. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.